Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. Welcome to the very first video lecture of our holiday homework. Now if you open your summer pack to page number 3, it's written here: revise the lesson nicobobinus and attempt the following questions. Now if you know that you guys know that we have already gone through the chapter Nicopobinus as our March assignment. We have already solved its question answer and words meaning on your notebooks too. But before we get through our very first activity here, which says fill in the spaces to make sure the words you have read in the lesson. अब अगर फर्स्ट वर्ड को देखें तो मेरे लिए क्योंकि बहुत इजी है, क्योंकि जब लेसन मैं आप लोगों के लिए रीड कर रहा था क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फाइंड करने के लिए, तो मुझे कुछ वर्ड जहन में रह गए. जैसे फर्स्ट वन इज़ लेमोनेड. सो बिफोर वी गेट इनटू टुडेज फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी, it is advised that you go through the chapter Nicobobinus. Then we will be attempting its question answers and its exercise. Then it will be much easier for us. So as for today's assignment, you have to read the chapter thoroughly. Now the chapter 1 has 3 chapters. Chapter 1, chapter 2, yes, there are only 2 chapters. Go through these chapters and then it will be much easier for us to attempt all the activities given on the summer pack. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.